Stress Awareness Month ang buwan ng April. Okay, marami ho ba ang nasistress ngayon? Marami ho bang kumukonsulta sa inyo bilang psychologist, Ma'am El?
Well, sa palagay ko, oo, kasi maraming uncertainties tayo na kinakaharap ngayon. May gera, may mga pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina, bilihin, at maraming mga nangyayari sa ating society that really will make it difficult or challenging for people to really cope. So, tingin ko marami. At marami rin nagkukonsulta for not only for stress but also for feelings of anxiety or sometimes malungkot o uncertain yung pakiramdam nila.
So, i-define po natin further, no? Kailan ba tayo nakakaramdam na nai-stress na pala tayo?
Okay, yung stress kasi normal na reaction niya ng body. It's a normal mental and physical reaction of our body to challenges, uncertainties, threats. Sa simula parang okay siya na reaction kasi your body needs to adjust and be able to handle that uncertainty. So magkakaroon tayo ng parang feeling ng flight or fight, ganon. Pero kapag halos araw-araw ganun yung mode ng body mo, hindi yun maganda para sa physical and mental health mo. Pag magiging parang chronic na yung nararamdaman mong stress, medyo challenging yan both for your physical and mental health.
Pag sinabi po bang chronic stress, gaano katagal lang dapat yung normal stress sa chronic stress? Like how many days should I give myself or hours na stress ako na
Tama.
okay pa?
Oo.
And then, kailan yung kailangan ko na magpatingin sa doktor?
Siguro kapag yung 2 weeks or more na parang meron ng effect yung stress sa'yo. Kasi syempre, kapag ikaw ay hindi na productive, dahil sa stress na nararamdaman mo, yung interest mo nawawala na, at ikaw mismo nagkakaroon ka ng problem with self-care. Di ka na naliligo, di ka na kumakain kasi sobrang burdened na yung isip mo ng stress na nararamdaman mo. There are also instances na nagkakaroon ka na ng social problems, nagiging irritable ka, nagkakaroon ka ng kaaway, or at the other extreme, pwedeng ina-isolate mo na yung sarili mo because of all these feelings. Baka yun pwedeng humingi ka na ng tulong sa isang mental health professional. Yun yung
Ayun.
tinatawag natin na chronic and long-term na siguro stress which has perpetuated and probably threatened your mental health already.
Ayan. Kasi ngayon talaga marami tayong stress sa buhay.
Correct.
Isama mo na yung balita. So lahat tayo, kumbaga nasi-stress, presyo pa lang ng gasolina, how to get from point A to point B. Nagrereklamo lahat eh.
Ang follow-up ko kay Miss El, no? Kasi syempre, all walks of life, di ba? Pati mga bata, mga teens, below 18 years old, kumbaga nakakaramdam na rin ng matinding stress.
Totoo naman.
So all the more na, paano po natin ito dapat bigyan ng atensyon?
Okay, hindi madali, kundi simple lang, no? Una muna, sa physical health natin tayo magsisimula. No? We need to be able to take care of our health. Kasi yung response ng body natin, remember, physical response siya. So we need to take care of our health. By how? By eating healthy diet, di ba? We need to exercise. That's why we're also partnering with JCI kasi they're having a color run sa
Yes, we
sa
will
May.
ask her
And
later.
it also underscores the importance of the relationship between physical and mental health. 15 to 20 to 30 minutes of physical health a day will be very good for our body. Sleep. We need to encourage the young people to sleep. Kahit naman tayo, no, we need at least 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And also, yung mindset also. It's very important, no? Marami sa atin, nagsiset tayo ng goals na sobrang unachievable. So, kailangan yung goals na sineset natin also, yung kaya natin, according dun sa kakayanan lang natin para maiwasan natin yung frustration. Another is boundary setting. We need to learn how to say no. Diba? And when other people say no to us then, wag na nating pilitin din kasi it also protects ourselves from being frustrated, no? So, also, the things that we can control, yun yung bigyan natin ng focus, not the things that we cannot control. For example, yung giyera, hindi naman natin yun kontrolado, presyo ng gasolina, hindi natin yung kontrolado. But we can control our reaction to it, di ba? Pwede tayong magtipid, pwede tayong magbaon kung kulang yung pera natin, and all other things that will allow us to control the situation. And siguro lastly, to ask for help. If you are feeling anxious already or sobrang stress na yung pakiramdam mo, it's good to talk to people that are your safe space. Remember nung pandemic, no, ganun din, we call them emotional PPEs natin. So we go back to these people who are our safe space.
Right.
Ngayon, even if we talk to these people and parang may nararamdaman pa rin tayong kakaiba, maybe it's also good to seek professional help already.
Yes.
Ayun.
So, hindi masamang humingi ng tulong, hindi rin yun sign of weakness.
Correct. Oo.
It's
Alright.
actually a sign of self-care.
Right. Oo.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, and before we go, let's promote this caller run. Ayan ang mangyayari sa May 31. Clifford?
Yes, I'd like to invite everybody to the JCI Manila Color Fest Carnival Run for Mental Health. It will sa May 31 siya in the MOA complex. This will be a morning run, and then depending on the km, it's very fun. It's a fun run, no? It's from 1 km, 3 km, 5 km, 10 km until 21 km. So
Okay.
it's for everybody, If you want to walk, you can walk. If you want to run, you can run. So a healthy body can lead to a healthy mind, no?
Yes.
So that's one of the aspects. And at the end of what's different here is it's not after you run, there's going to be like a festival
kaya
theme na
color
party, and then there will be like color spraying color at the peak. Parang ganun. That is the main attraction talaga, no? So it's a run and then may slide party ka ng konti.
Oh, why
Okay.
not? Okay,
Oh,
and magkano ho
alright.
ba? Paano mag-register?
You can register in our website, jcimanilacolorrun.com.
Okay.
Also, our partner's website, colorfest asia.com, I think, or colorfest.com. And it's around, the premium ticket is around 2,000. But I think now there's still a promo going on for it.
Okay.
Around 1.5.
Okay.
Okay.
Kaya
Alright.
mas maaga, mas mura.
early bird.
And
Okay.
also, ito po ay for a cause, no? Para matulungan po natin ang Philippine Mental Health Association. So maraming salamat po, El de la Cruz ng PMHA, and of course, Clifford Au, ang Director for Membership, Benefits and Partnerships ng Junior Chamber International Manila. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for your
Thank you.
service.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you po.